Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the necessary things you need to do before buying a land or when buying a land in Nigeria. When buying a land in Nigeria, there are various important steps to ensure that the process is completed and a good title has been passed from the seller to the buyer. However, these steps must be carried out by a legal practitioner or a lawyer. This is because it is only a lawyer that can diligently search a property title and also draft the necessary transfer instrument and ensure that the transfer has been moved from the seller to the buyer. The key steps are as follows. First, physical inspection. Then search and investigation of title documents. Also, preparation of contract of sale, preparation of deed of assignment, registration of title documents, and perfection of title. When we talk about physical inspection, this is going into the property and inspecting it physically. It helps to identify the property and to see if there's any defect in the property, and also to check whether there is any dispute or maybe warning signs. For instance, you go to a building, at the fence of it you'll see something like this land is not for sale, caveat emptor, things like that. That is the need, or that is the reason why you need physical inspection. Now, this inspection also helps you to know where the property is located and what you need to do with the property. The next step is to conduct search or investigation on the property and its ownership in a situation where the property does not have maybe any registered title. For instance, if it's not registered in the Ministry of Lands, you can now conduct search with respect to ascertaining the ownership and history of the land. You must note that for the fact that a property is not registered doesn't imply automatically that is a bad property for purchase. It only means that other investigation can be conducted into the root of the title and whether the vendor has the right to maybe put such property on sale. Contract of sale of land. What does this imply? This contract stipulates all conditions pertaining to the sale of the property. Contract of sale is very important if the purchase price is to be paid in installments. Where the payment is to be made on installment, the contract of sale will prevent a seller from reselling the same property to a higher bidder. The next other thing one needs to do is a deed of assignment. Now, deed of assignment occurs when you fully pay for the property. Once a purchaser has fully paid for the property or has the money to pay immediately, then the next step is to prepare a deed of assignment. Now, this deed of assignment will permanently transfer the ownership of the property from the seller to the buyer. Upon completion and maybe signing of the deed of assignment, the new owner has an obligation to register the property with the state government. This process is what we call title perfection.